fuck, it got really hot. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was just like, I need to film a video, you know. It's been like a while, you know, like what, like a fucking almost 2 months. So I was like, I need to film a video. Certain reasons why I haven't, because, you know what, let's just not get into that. It doesn't really matter. I'm here now, so let's just stick with that, you know what I'm saying? So I just like got this palette. This is the Yes Please palette by ColourPop, and I was like, bitch, like the colors are like really pretty. It's like summery as well, you know, because it's like yellow, and that's what I tried to do with this makeup look. So that's the tea on that. If you like this video, keep on watching. It's gonna go to a voiceover because voiceover is like much faster and much easier for everyone to like watch, because it's not gonna take like so long when I'm talking. See, already it's like what, been a minute since this intro started.
We're going to the pool!
And I'm filming my intro! I know I sounded like a bitch, but I swear I love my family.
We'll be down there in like 10 minutes.
Love you!
Love you!
Yeah? Okay, hey bitches, so we're just gonna start the video. What's good? What's poppin'? Oh my god, I'm so fucking ugly. Okay, so while I'm just gonna like look at myself and be really fucking ugly, I just want to explain why my face is so red. So recently I got a chemical peel, not like it's like anything big, but I've been using like retinoid and a whole bunch of different shit. Hashtag stay hydrated. But anyway, so my face just like got really red, and it's like not the right products for me, so that's why my face looks red, just in case. If you're wondering, which face you're probably not, because they always look like a fucking tomato. But let's just get into this. So I'm just going to use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So now we're going to pop that shit off and make our faces prepped and hydrated. You know, healthy queens. So now I'm going to take the Yes Please palette from ColourPop and go into this yellow shade with a 514 brush. And I'm going to blend that out and just make it like a cat eye. I'm going to use the 514 for most of this look. And now I'm going to go in with this, I guess, terracotta shade. I'm not really for sure. And pack and blend, and I'm going to go in with this red shade and do the same thing, pack and blend. And then I already cut my crease out, but no one gives a shit. Now I'm going to take butter cake and just pop that on there, and also in the inner corner, a little bluffing and blending, and we're ready. So for primer, I'm going to be wearing, well, not wearing, putting on the No Pore Bump primer. Then I'm going with the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation that I just got, which is not my shade. It's kind of my winter shade, but like it's okay. So I also got the new Maybelline foundation that was super full coverage, and I thought that would be a little darker, but it really wasn't. But you know, that's okay. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind. Sorry, I can't speak. I used to wear this concealer all the time, but now that that shit's done, we're going to set it and forget it. So when I was filming this, my skin really wasn't taking makeup as well. I had to like pack on like more makeup than like I didn't put in the video. But I was using this powder all over my face, which I usually don't do because it's an extra translucent extra coverage, which makes it not really like translucent, but like, bitch, I needed the extra coverage, and thanks Grease for letting me steal your brush. So now I'm going to put Hoola Bronzer by Benefit on, and I am going to be putting that in all the main contour areas, like your cheekbones, your forehead, and also your nose. And now I'm going to be spraying my face, and I'm going to keep my face in one position, because if you move your face when you're setting it, your makeup might get fucked. So when you're setting it, after you spray it, just keep your face in one position. Now I'm using Amrezy and Anastasia as the highlighter, and this is me realizing that I left a mark, so I'm putting on some banana powder from Anastasia to hopefully help it, but that shit are popping. Now I'm putting on the crease color, my second crease color, Honey Dude from ColourPop, and now it's been a minute for you, well, second for you, it's been an hour for me, so I'm going to put on House of Lashes Iconics, do some touch-ups, and now lips, and for lips use Huda Beauty and Jeffree Star. It'll be listed down below. Now it's time for the modeling part. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm gonna go take this off. It's hot as fuck in my room because I have like so many lights pointing at my direction, but you know, I look cute, so that's all that matters.
Say I'm highlight popping.
Oh shit. Like this video, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna put more videos out, and yeah. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
It's so short, you literally can't. I'm wearing a shirt.
Titties.